Alright guys, so this is going to be a super quick meal. You know, the kids are home, you don't feel like bullshitting around a lot. Baby daddy's calling, mama daddy, whatever's calling. Got to walk the dogs. Simple, quick. 1 pound of hamburger meat in a skillet. And then we are going to, should have popped these already. Now, I love mushrooms. I eat them in damn near every single meal. They go well in Mexican dishes as championes. They go well in, of course, Italian dishes. Now, 1 pound of hamburger and 2 4-ounce cans of mushrooms. Now, meal prep week, everything's canned, frozen, all of it. I don't mess around with fresh stuff unless it's usually Sunday when I'm cooking everything. So you've got all your mushrooms in there. Now we are going to take, now this is regardless. This is just the main highway, baby. We've got 3 different cultural paths we're going to take here in a minute. So that's a half teaspoon. Brings it to 1, 1.5. 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Don't worry, it's not a lot. I mean, looks like a lot more than is in there. 1/2 of teaspoon of turmeric. Now, that's one of the reasons we put in the black pepper, because you know, you want to get those antioxidants, or not antioxidants, anti-inflammatories released from the turmeric. Now, you know, you can add turmeric, you can leave it out. It doesn't really add, at that level, it doesn't really add very much of a flavor. It's pretty simple. Get it all rocking and rolling, stir it up. We'll see you in a couple of minutes. See, the time is 9:20. You saw. So we can throw in some liquid aminos, which tastes just like soy sauce, but without the carbs. And also throw in a can of water chestnuts and bamboo shoots, both super low on carbs. And we can have like Asian lettuce wraps, and I mean, in a matter of minutes. Or we can go completely crazy like shit I love to do. We can throw in some capers, some Kalamata olives, and garlic stuffed olives, and make like kind of a pontchartrain, throw in some sour cream. Quick. We can do an Italian. You throw in some of this, not all of it, some of it. You put it on some low-carb bread, low-carb noodles. It's quick. Now, tonight, we're going to go in the Mexican way. We're going to throw in some jalapenos and some salsa, and then some sour cream. So we'll see you again here in a minute. All right, so nothing real crazy. We didn't throw in any of the juices. We just threw in like, what, 10 slices? Now, with the, I'm going to pour in a little bit of it, about half a jar. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to thicken this up just a tad, and our time is running at 9:27. And then I'll make tacos. I'll use these carb sense, only 4 grams per tortilla, and you know, I'll throw in some sour cream here in a minute, and some avocado guacamole. Man, tons of great fat, low carbs, medium protein. That's it. So I'll be showing you in a minute. Turn this bad boy into a casserole. Throw in a huge 2 scoops sour cream. This is where I'm going to get my fat. I mean, you're not getting it in the beef. You're jalapenos, no fat there. So anyhow, there's the meal. It is 9:30 right now. It's done. All I got to do is plate it, and you can have your little minions do that. Use my yellow bird, jalapeno. That's it.